It's such a tremendous place if you think about it. No places like this. Liberty, nothing like this. Would you look at Fallsburg? Nobody has a place. You have everything in one place. Frankly, it's the best. Tremendous people work here. Would you look at these people? Tremendous people.
The summer has officially begun in Mountain Square. Stein, du Hand. Zimmer is showing du. We're here in the middle of the winter and now we're back here in the summer. The Mountain Square Mall. As we do in the country, hey, you don't stop here, you missed out. Let's go, let's start. Okay, I'm going to unheimen mit the Toys for You and Kette Jadeka. Do a 2-in-1. We're unheimen with this. I'm hyped with Surim Alamul. Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Summer 25. Ich sag mal hyped mit the Dwunim Shem Kedishim, mit Surim. Give a tune to Michael, eh? Wow, summer is here. Toys for You it is. Mit Kette zusammen.
Baruch Hashem, we're fully stacked up.
We
We have every kind of tzitzis people need.
Wow.
Because we need to cater for Hasidische, for Litvische, for Chabad, for Sephardi. 1-hole, 2-hole, V-neck, round neck, mesh, t-shirt, alle mine tzitzis. We have all different kappelig we have available. Washable, 3 kinds. Alles soort Sachen. And some alles voor hem stacked up, alles adirim gemushem, Sachen da Fayomi.
Hast du ja, man geht zu mir, als wo die Zure hast du?
Aber wo die Zure, English, Hebrew, soft cover, hard cover, big one, small one. Alle nice voor hem. Some sagt Judeke Sachen, and some alle nice toys, fill mit bikes outside, helmets, outdoor Sachen, pools.
Alle die bikes sind outside, so alles für alle ages bikes, akkebakel.
From 12-inch bis 26-inch.
You're ready for the summer.
Baruch Hashem, Emet Hashem, yeah.
Wow. It's kommt aus Hand der erste Tag, du kommt zu fuhren.
Yeah.
Has carries with the videos, desperate measures mit alles. You're ready for the summer. Chevre, checking over here. Toys for You, Kette by the mall. Everything you need from toys to bikes to surim. Da for you mit alles geschirrt, ich muss kawai item.
La teure.
Wow, Chevre, check it out. Beautiful store, state of the art. Wo titzen alle bikes. Alle bikes sind ausgeschirrt, shine, greit. They even have these cool bikes over here, safe bikes for kids. Steitzer comes with helmets. And noch a bike, after you bought your toys and your balls and your bikes, I'm gonna check doing Kasa cover. I'm gonna check this.
Hi, you're back!
Shloimi! Wow, Shloimi! Good to see you again. Shalom Aleichem. Donald Trump. Tion de Michael, I'm saying.
We have 3 kiosks here.
Clip it off.
We have 3 new kiosks here, so
don't have to stand online, don't can order
stand online, can online ordering. We updated our menu. Some salads.
I got a salad bar.
Doodle. All types of calzones.
Schmacke calzones.
Personal pies.
Get back.
Ekman Parmesan.
Shine the pies do.
A variety of different types of slices you can get. And
you guys are open. Kimtza Rebbe, you open.
We're open from...
What time do you guys open in the morning?
10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday is 10 to 10.
Thursday?
And Thursday is 10 to 9.
That's a nice
Friday is 10 to 5:30. Matzah Shabbos is 15 minutes after the Zman till 2:30.
Can you show me a great pie 15 minutes noch Zman? Wow. Delivery as well?
Delivery, we have Uber Eats and you can order on the website.
What's the website?
Kasakava.com.
Kasakava.com. You look like an all-year guy here, right?
It's great food here.
You're here all year?
Yes.
All year. How do you enjoy the oil coming up for the summer? You like that or you'd rather the oil stays in the city?
No, the more the merrier. Everybody comes.
Everybody comes. The oil is a vibe.
Jeder Kim Tzarov.
It's great food.
Great food. Kasa Kava.
We have a frap machine.
Wow. Frap machine.
We have ice cream.
Nice.
Alles to do. Kim Tzarov.
You have outdoor seating as well.
Yep.
There's no seating doing those?
Yeah.
Also in the back ook het?
We have in the back a huge seating area.
So the oil Kim, you always know you have a seat over here. Wat zoekst je? Is het is vrijelijk? The oil is happy. Summer is here. Wow.
I'll do the personal pie.
This is the personal pie the oil is talking about. This is the personal pie. Hast du größte seating, not stam. Look at this. Wow! Den hast du größte seating.
Jetzt schauen wir frozen, man macht auch frozen pizza.
Frozen pizza auch hit.
En mitten sind wir auch ganz gut.
Ganz gut, frozen pizza auch hit. Gib mal kicken, the seating du. Hast du seating in der Woje? The Olim knows they come here, they have a seating indoors.
Alles wat dit das do.
Shlomi, you rock the house.
Chaim, noch auf einem Pizza oder anything, was man do, kann man kommen mit den Kindern. So man do Hoopla, alle meine Games.
Oh, wow, hoopla in the house.
A riesige variety of games.
Kijk wat dit zo doen. I love
We
this.
do alle meine prizes, was man kann kaufen.
So after you got the tickets, you I love this. Next level. Ear hockey.
A race machine.
A race machine. This is a 3D situation.
Massage ook, alles wat
A massage ook, de boeken dat massages doen. Basketball. Wow, so if a boeken in camp does not basketball, you know, the Yiddish camp don't know like basketball. Can we do spelen basketball?
Doe de jungen van de Redlands.
Okay. I love this. You guys are loaded here. So this is right next to the pizza store.
Right next to the pizza store, doe op een oog kiosk, dus ze weet dat grote lijn, ik ben ook gewoon met de kiosk.
What's so nice? Oh! It's the real deal.
Dan doe ik ook kiosk, en we daar
Okay, so you can order over here, the cards.
Ja.
What's the grootste bowl do?
This is a 7D system, so die feels, de ganze zaak feelt echt wie ze echt.
So this is a part of hoopla, huh? Give a kick.
Dus du 16 seating, so auf mal ganz Zimmer jeden Tag.
Wow.
Dus du voor Kinder, voor tatas, voor baby's. Alle wat daar is.
No, ik mag dat hier. Laten we met dat maar a few seconds over here. What? I'm in it. You're scaring me here. This is next level. Oh, so you have to wear special glasses, yeah?
Ja.
Wow. And you sit in the chairs, and the chairs move?
The chairs move and it's just...
Okay, get me out of here, get me out of here. I'm getting
real.
scared.
It feels real.
Seville. Kevin, get me out of here. They said wild.
Geherig.
De tatas kan ook enjoyen this.
Jeder van couples, de kinder van tata zijdes, jeder gaat this enjoyen.
Next level.
We're not done yet. Do a hardware store, a houseware, zoals wat die wil starten, nog do a grocery store, een grocery store, even, maar even gleich nog peisig.
Wow, you guys are rocking. Let's go.
Look at him. He's a great guy. Would you look at this guy? He has beautiful pants. Would you look at it? I wanted to, but I don't have it right now. But we might get it back. We might.
You want some Rockies? Let me see if I have my pocket of Rockies.
I got one.
Oh, you got one already? Becky got a Rockies. Let's go.
Let's
Let's
go.
Store.
Gaan we door Home Square. Gehst would die wil ze Lily moest eraan aan een huis, een bungalow. Du kan man alles kopen van A to Z. Bedding, furniture, appliances, houseware,
Cheers.
outdoor seating, anything and everything you need for the summer or even all year round, you can get here in this store.
Home Square. It's right
Home
next to
Square.
the mall. So like gericht a bissel, you have to walk a couple of 100 feet, 120 feet on the side of the mall.
Dus-
Wow, it's beautiful.
Alle beddingen du met tischen, bankles, wood die wil stoppen, kannst du bekommen.
I was here probably 4 or 5 months ago, mitten winter. It was empty, the store was raw.
Wat ik heb gemaakt van A to Z, de ganze store,
Beautiful.
fully.
What do bed, what do cribs, washing machines. Daarvoor schleppen washing machines op
Washing
Waterpark.
machines, dryers, frigiders, freezers, woody das und haben auch de filters voor
Filters
de
met voor de air
alle meine
conditioners.
filters voor de air conditions hebben ons doen.
Wow.
Woody das da ran zum auf een neue huis oder een neue bungalow, kannst du bekommen. Du alle meine Bettgewand, Handtücher,
This is crazy. I would almost say,
Nägelwasserschüssel, alles von A to Z kannst du rankommen um alles.
I would almost say a color. So I'm going to do a color packages from dishes to house to everything.
Wir können du alles kaufen.
It's a fascinating thing. A color was upstate. There's no time to go to this.
Kent
You
je?
had gasten nog eens immer. Boom, come here. Come a color package do. Have everything from A to Z.
Geheim jetzt gaat met kan sunflower.
Sunflower.
Beste grocery in the mountains. Best pricing. Woody das get.
Sunflower.
Met 2 registers, plus 2 kiosks.
Right,
So
so self-checkout.
the lines auffuhren schneller.
You guys got everything full.
Dan
Wow.
haben wir eine ganze salad bar, kommt sie rüber für breakfast do. Get the Eierspeis, get the... So haben wir ein bisschen bakery items, covered Shabbos.
I love it. You have a full salad bar,
So
bakery items,
kommt sie
colors,
noch eine ganze shelf von bakery items.
Coven the free.
So haben wir slushies, coffee, cappuccino, hot chocolate, French vanilla. Und kommt du dieselbe Fratmachine wie da.
Wie dort. Wow.
Ja.
Flowers look over Shabbos kodesh in Medur. Tomatoes, vegetables, Okay, cookies. Sag geherige grocery
Da
store.
geherige grootste, alsof je in de city dezelfde idee, dezelfde bewijs.
Wow.
Alle meine Sachen muss
Full
man da-
stocks.
Geherig alles.
Full stocked aisle. Hackelbackel.
Alle meine Chips voor de kinderen, ze gaan zu essen Shabbos. Wat did dat ze doen?
Wow, so muss offen doen.
Ice creams.
Alle meine ice creams do.
Ze werden leidig, mensen kaufen, ze werden leidig.
The 99 is schon gone already. The new so noch du. The new 99 ice cream is still here. Check it out. Wow. Alle milkshakes was man da, JJ cappuccinos, yogurts. Fully stocked, gevre. Cheese, cold cuts, fleisch. Smoked salmon, smoked fish.
Regular salmon.
Regular salmon. Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Check it out.
Alle meine Zeitung, wo du das, der jeder Kind, der Blatt, der Seite, der Moment, wo du darf du. The balag.
I don't believe it. Kijk wat do. Shloim Alain, Shloim Melech. How are you? All day from the city.
Nice.
You just pulled up today?
Sure. Come.
And the first place you come is?
Sunflower.
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 Als je maar komt naar Rockies en Sunflower,
Nice work.
ga je avada bij de cash
Dat
register.
beginnen we.
Nah.
Dat laatste maar op beginnen, niet in de Catskills.
Shloimi, thank you so much for the whole tour. Van de ganze Mountain Square Mall. Met Sunflower, met Home Square, met de ganze situation over here. Ik heb nog 1 minute of Trump. To finish off. Now, wie wil Trump masbe geweest de ganze Square Mall?
It's such a tremendous place if you think about it. No places like this. Liberty, nothing like this. Would you look at Fallsburg? Nobody has a place. You have everything in one place. Frankly, it's the best. Tremendous people work here. Would you look at these people? Tremendous people. We have a huge parking space like Iran. We call it Iran. Thank you.
Thank you, Shlomi.
Okay.